It's Joe, and this is my next project.
Cool, check out this line since we cut it. Oh, that helped that car out. With the hood on there, that's nice. That is nice. And while we're cutting, let's cut again. There's been something I've wanted to cut. We have these parts on here. I put these parts on here and they're all gonna get cut and fit, but they're not cut and fit now. And I don't want people to get the wrong idea that they won't be cut. Like this little patch panel that is covering the headlights. This thing's gonna get trimmed and cut. It's in quite a bit of an arc right here, and it'll probably be less of an arc and flow into that. When the tires get on it, this will get cut out for the tire, nice clearance. Also, something that shows up in the videos that I see is this big flip, this big wide bumper on the end all the way across here. And I want to make sure people don't think I intend it to be that way. I don't. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a quick cut to where as we go along, it will look better. Now there's different ways to do this. We could cut this thing down the hill in a little flip. You go down the hill and a longer piece sticking out here and not go over the edge, but in an abundance of caution, I think I'm gonna go down the hill and over the edge and leave it just a little bit longer than I normally would here to where I can recut it perfectly. And it may barely start to turn down where that gets cut. That's really gonna be a fine adjustment in the way this looks, but it doesn't have to be a fine adjustment now. I'm gonna tape it off and I'm gonna cut it where it's not bulky anymore. And I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put you over here and you just hang out. Oh, about right there. That's it. My glass is all fogged up. I couldn't see anything. Look at that. I hate that. Couldn't see anything. Oh, I like that better. That just makes the whole car look lighter. Let's see it from the... And again, it's not the final cut, but it just makes it a little cooler in the back. It's amazing how that just changes it so quickly. All right. And we still have the option of cutting it a little shorter if we like. Cool, man. Back in. Hey, thanks for tuning in.